Life, what's good? I know it's been a minute, you know what I'm saying? Episode number 33. Hey, we're gonna start with talking about the giveaway. You know, the person who won, the person who originally won, we emailed them a few times and then they never got back to us or something like that. So then we're gonna actually end up redoing everything. We still gonna do the giveaway, but you know, I think maybe we can just open it back up. You know, I don't know what we're gonna have to do about the verification process, because the way we just did it, it did not work. There was also people down in the comments saying that people was making multiple names and stuff like that. You know, not really a fan of that, you know what I'm saying? I hope, you know what I'm saying, when you comment and stuff like that, you got, you know, it's your real actual page and stuff like that. And, you know, somebody can actually verify that you're a real, an account and stuff, or a real person and stuff like that. So that, you know what I'm saying, that somebody can win, you know. But without further ado, you know, until we do that, I'm going to get with the queen and she going to figure out the logistics of it all and how we can get this to work, you know what I'm saying? Because I really want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Even if we open it back up, or if we keep the original names that was already in there, you know, which will bring it all the way down to, I think they said almost like 11 names out of 16 wasn't even real. So that's only like 6 people, you know. So, or we might open it back up, you know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe down below on what y'all think and how y'all think we should do it, because I actually got a lot of feedback, and a lot of, some of the best feedback was from y'all letting me know how it's going and how to, you know what I'm saying, how to, you know what I'm saying, weed out the bots and stuff like that. But without further ado, you know what I'm saying, episode number 33, you know, I've been moving like crazy, you know what I'm saying. The queen, y'all know she's pregnant, so she can't really necessarily help me move into the place that we're in now. But yeah, we actually in here, you know what I'm saying. I finally got own garage, you know what I'm saying, my own little space and stuff like that. My daughter got her room, my other daughter has her room, my queen has her family room, living room, and you know what I'm saying, her own big, huge room with her office, and you know, so she's able to, you know, have everything that she wants, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, right now I'm in a man cave, everything a little messed up, but I'm gonna show y'all, step back a little bit, I'm gonna show y'all how, you know what I'm saying, I was just, moving everything here. I think this is like only like the third day we're here, you know what I mean? So within 3 days, I had to get everything moved in, you feel me? With the couch, everything, bro, bed, you know what I'm saying, to the neck, but I didn't think it was swatch it. I was gonna do this video with my shirt off, but I was like, man, you know, I'm trying to get monetized and shit. I don't know if I was gonna get demonetized, man. You know what I'm talking about? They gonna say a nigga was bullying or something. You know? But no, I'm messing with y'all. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all the street life, you know what I'm saying? The street life garage, you know what I'm saying? Man, it's a fly in here too, man. So I'm gonna flip it around and show y'all. Boom. I'm gonna start on the ground because this is where we all started. It's hella shit already on the ground and shit. But y'all know I got, me and my pops are one here. You feel me? As y'all seen in the last video, they almost tried to steal this motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? But we still here. It's only the second time, you feel me, in what, 15, 16 years that they didn't try it, you know what I'm saying? But this one got a different spirit on it, man. It just won't go. Got my race fans right here. The AFM 2019 season. The Jixer, so do that daily. Wheezy. Big banging this thing. Oh, I got the Elko right here. This was what got everything in here. The Elko. Everything in here. I had to grab my fresh oil pan with my improved racing baffle in there. A little baffle. signed it and put my number on there. That's funny. I kind of wanted something like, I got some Jackson Jack stands over here. But these my Hooker Blackheart ceramic coated. This for this right here. Whenever I put the LS in this thing, I got the cam for the 4th gen. Charging this Optima batteries. Fucking stock shit from. This is stock shit from the Mustang and the Camaro RS. It's a flying here. Got my little pack out box. Got all my tools. I'm talking about. Got my little baby toolbox. Little gear wrench. I still gotta set all this up though. You know, this is just some of the stuff I got at the house, you know. My real toolbox at work. But yeah, man. A little tour of the little garage space, you feel me? Excuse me. Daily rider right there, you feel me? Sheesh. But yeah, so I got this engine hoist right here. I'm about to build this right now. That way I can put it in the corner over there. Probably look like that when I'm done. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying. This how we vlogging now, man. You know what I'm saying. We're gonna be vlogging like this, straight from the pad, man. I'm gonna get some fly spotters though. And some flies in here, man. You know what I'm saying. But you know, this how we vlogging. I'm about to get kind of started on this this Cornwall engine hoist. You know what I'm saying? Because I kind of want to see how it looked and stuff like that. And I almost lost it when they broke in about the shit. I was like, oh, they ain't got it. It was sitting right there. But you feel me? I guess it was too heavy for the weak ass niggas. But anyways, you feel me? I'm gonna get to putting that together. All right, engine hoist nice and put together. You feel me? I could have got that Harbor Freight one, but I wanted something that I can rely on. You know what I'm saying? While I'm out here doing all this reckless stuff on myself, you feel me? Just want to make sure I got something I can trust, but I definitely need to tighten all the bullshit. So, you know, grab this tool right here. What's this? We got the DeWalt. We got a little 20 volt. A little brushless thing, DCF 887. This one a cool one. Oh, it only got 2 bars. We super straight though. Tighten thing. Let me turn that power on 3. All right, street light. So yeah, I did get this thing nice and tight. Got her all in there and stuff. This is in a folded position. So yeah, I could have got a Harbor Freight one. I think they selling for about like $375. I kind of got this like just before the year ended last year in 2022. But yeah, this the Cornwall one. You know what I'm saying? It's rated at a higher. Yeah, and it got the feature where, you know what I'm saying, they got the little double pumper on there, like a Holley carburetor, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, this is definitely more rigid, everything lined up, all the bolt holes lined up. It's not all crooked, folds up nice. I shouldn't really have to ever buy another engine hoist, you know what I'm saying? I plan on doing a lot of swaps. So that's gonna be the one right there. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Engine hoist on nice and tight. I'm about to throw it in the corner and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Episode number 33. You know, it's pretty much gonna be the end of it. You know, I was just kind of getting situated. We kind of getting situated in here and stuff like that. You know, but you know, we should have a lot more videos and stuff like that. I might start doing things that I like about the Big Bang and things I like about the Jixer or whatnot, you know what I'm saying? Just do small little videos like in the garage and stuff like that, but kind of got to get more situated and stuff like that. So, you know what I mean? And be looking out for the comments in the comment section on about how we're going to do the giveaway and stuff like that. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I'll see y'all episode 30. follow. You feel me? We out this thing.